how to send messages in Instagram threads. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Threads application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, scroll through and you will see various profiles. So tap on the profile whom you want to send the message, or you can also tap on the search bar and search for the profile. Once you have opened their profile, here you will see various options. However, you will not see the option for message anywhere. So unfortunately, you cannot send direct messages in Threads itself. So tap on the Instagram icon you see there on top and you will be led to their Instagram profile on Instagram. So tap on the message button you see there and further go ahead and send the message. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.